Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. First of all, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. We're still back with a daily Bitcoin update for those of you who are interested in that. But obviously today is a little bit of a celebration day, and not much work and not much trading will probably be done. But still wanted to keep you updated. I mean, yesterday we got a pretty nice move. By the way. I thought it was quite funny because yesterday I uploaded a middle of the day market update as I do every day, or I try to do every day, where the title was Christmas Crypto Crash, and a lot of people thought that I said that Bitcoin would crash. But if you watched the video yesterday, and I'm sure most of you will, or most of you have done that, but you knew that I talked about this as the most likely scenario. I just wanted to warn you for a crash because circumstances around Christmas where the order book is quite thin and where there's not a lot of liquidity, those are ideal times for manipulations, right? So just wanted you to be cautious. But if you watched my video yesterday morning, if you watched my video yesterday afternoon, you knew this was most likely. Now the big question is what's next, right? Because we reached the target we set at 99,000. And honestly, like I said, today I don't expect much movement, so we've kind of been consolidating under that level for the last 24 hours. I think something like that will continue. I mean, we might still have some movement. That is to be expected. Let me quickly turn off this light here. That is to be expected, but the stock markets are closed today as well. The stock markets yesterday did quite well, right? So if we take a look at the fundamentals, you can see they bounce up quite nicely, including also the Russell 2000, which is at support right now, but all right. So that's all good. These fundamentals, they give me hope. However, if I take a look at Bitcoin right now, the main resistance level is 99,000. It's a strong key resistance level in general. You also have the previous month BOC there, which has been respected very much as well. And the move we had yesterday, unfortunately, I have to scroll up a bit, but unfortunately it was with a lot of leverage. And very often, if that happens, that's a sign that we will, at least pull back, at least get rid of some of that leverage, and then potentially we can get back up to 102,000. Because the big question is all right, I think the bottom is in, because I think we had a strong touch right here, the bottom right here around 93,000 actually was defended very well, and we also got a bullish confirmation from that. So I do think, unless we actually get some new bearish fundamental developments, I do think this is the local bottom. But then the question is all right, well, will we consolidate between 99,000 and 93 or 92,000? Or can we consolidate, which I would say is a little bit more bullish, between 102,000 and 92,000? And at the moment, first of all, short term, because of that leverage, and because of the low volume market circumstances, I do expect a pullback. And then for me, the main question is will we be able to hold 96,000? Because it could be enough that we drop down to 96,000, get rid of some leverage, and then from there, if we're able to hold that, it's most likely we'll get up to 102,000. And then once we hit that level, we'll talk about whether we can break above that. Seems unlikely to me, especially in this time of the year, but all right, we'll talk about that. But therefore, at the moment, and the way Bitcoin is holding on right now, in combination with the fundamentals, I would say that today we will probably not have much movement, maybe a bit of a pullback. Hopefully some of that leverage will be closed off. But for now, I actually do think it's most likely that we'll still get a move into 102,000. And that from there, we'll reject back down, and that from there, we'll kind of consolidate like this. But short term, I'm actually still quite bullish on Bitcoin and the markets right now. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.